Friendly greetings. I'm Dr. Marvin Brandon, and this is the orientation film for the Rejected CS Simulator Interactivity System. In this video, we will cover the basics of setting up your Rejected CS interface HUD, as well as some of the finer points of using our system. In order to begin, you will need to purchase a copy of the Rejected CS HUD using one of the many vendors located around the sim. Now that you have your Rejected CS HUD, you will need to attach both the titler component and the HUD itself. To do this, locate this Rejected CS folder in your inventory, then right-click each and select Where. Before you may begin using the Rejected CS system, you will first need to create your roleplay character. After giving some thought as to the type of character you wish to portray, you may begin creating your character by following the application process inside the HUD. The first step through the application process is to select a name for your character. This will be used to identify your character within the roleplay and will be displayed in your emotes as well as your titler and the various scoreboards around the sim. To set your character's name, in nearby chat enter /1 followed by the name you have selected. After pressing enter, your selection will be entered into the database. If you wish to change your name, you may do so after your application has been accepted by using the Preferences menu. Next, you will need to enter your character's bio, or backstory. For this, we suggest you open up a text editor such as Notepad to perfect your backstory before submitting. Once this is done, copy and paste your bio line by line into nearby chat prefixed by /1. To view or clear your entered text, you may press 1 or 2 respectively. Please remember, this text is limited to 4,096 characters total. When you are happy with your bio entry, you may press OK to move on to the next step. The final component of your application will be your goals statement. This is merely an informal note to the administrator reviewing your application in which you may express what you wish to accomplish by joining the roleplay. Once again, use an external editor such as Notepad to compile your text. When ready, paste it line by line into nearby chat prefixed by /1. To view or clear your entry, you may again use the 1 or 2 buttons. When you're satisfied with your entry, press OK to submit your application for approval. From this point, your application has been submitted and is waiting the approval of one of our administrators. Once reviewed, you will receive an instant message stating if your application has been approved or rejected. If rejected, please feel free to try again using whatever suggestions our administrators may provide. If approved, you may continue by pressing the OK button to boot up into the system. Once approved, you may begin selecting the roles you wish to play with our new roleplay vendor. To do so, you may select the role category from one of the role kiosks located on SIM, or simply browse the available roles using the Manage Roles option on the Preferences menu. From this point forward, if your application has been approved, you will now have full access to the Rejected CS system. Feel free to explore the functions of your new HUD. Areas of interest include the main menu, where you can view details on other players, view your own biography, system announcements, or information about your current location. The Stats menu, which will allow you to view your own character's name and statistics. The Preferences menu, which lets you change your character's name, biography, and other settings, as well as the Status menu, which will allow you to toggle your roleplay status, change your active role, as well as enable or disable your emoter. At this conjuncture, we would like to take the chance to welcome you to the Rejected CS family of users and remind you that both you and your success are vital to our mission and the future of this project. Namaste and good luck.